Hi.
Hello. And we're gonna open as soon as we're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. When you are about to Heathrow, please step aside to let passengers behind you pass. Thank you.
this also? It's just a not very good food.